Hey everybody, how's it going? This is a Midwest Fan Collector here with a fan video, and I haven't uploaded a fan video in a while, so figured, hey, I'm bored, I'll make a fan video. A few weeks ago I was in Franklin, Indiana visiting some family members and went to this antique store off of 31 that I often go to. It's basically a big flea market with multiple rooms and stores put together. I picked this up for, I think it was $4 and some change. It's a thick motor 3rd gen SMC Laguna with stencil. I believe the date on this is June 1986. I also got over here in the same booth a Casablanca ceiling fan sign for $60, which I thought wasn't a bad deal, and I've always wanted one of those signs, so I got that too. This fan's in pretty good condition, other than the stickers that I still need to get off of there. I have one of these that's actually brand new in the box that I got last year, but it's still in the box, and I figured, hey, this is $4, so I'm gonna put this one up. And why not? Why not? I got a 1996 metal air freshener on the fan for shits and giggles. Alright, let's turn it up on low. It's got a nice low speed. It's not crazy fast like most spinners. Alright, let's go to medium. These fans are actually pretty decent. I mean, they blow out a decent amount of air for a spinner. It's not too crazy loud. Alright, we'll go to high. It's a pretty nice little fan. It actually blows a decent amount of air on high. Alright, let's turn it off. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later. God bless.